Today on Sugar Spun Run, I'll be showing you how to make brown sugar at home. Hey Sugar Spun Bakers, Sam here with another carefully tested, well-researched, and perfected recipe. I feel a little silly saying that because it's actually the simplest recipe I've ever shared here. Today I'm showing you how to make brown sugar and you only need 2 ingredients. Let's get right to it. All you need is some granulated sugar and molasses. Now, to make light brown sugar, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of molasses to your sugar. Now, if you want to make dark brown sugar, the only thing you're going to do differently is use 2 tablespoons of molasses for every 1 cup of granulated sugar. Now, here's the hard part. All you have to do is mix everything together until it's completely combined. Now, to do this, I like to use a spatula. At first, when you start to combine your ingredients, you can see it forms a lot of clumps. As you continue to mix it though, you're going to actually press those clumps of molasses against the side of the bowl and kind of smash them and smear that a little bit. And that's going to break up the molasses and help incorporate it into the sugar. Now, if you've accumulated any molasses on the side of your spatula, of course you want to work that into the sugar as well. So I just like to use a fork or something like that to scrape the side of the spatula. Now I'm just going to keep on mashing those molasses clumps until they've all been worked in to the sugar. And we have a nice uniform in color light brown sugar. Now this can be used just like you would use store-bought brown sugar. It's the same thing except you made it yourself. You can use it in any recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this super simple recipe. If you try it out, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. We still get to taste it? It is really good.